Welcome to Summer 2020 Business Statistics. I just wanted to go through this video and show you a few things about the course to help you get familiar with how it's set up. So this is the home page and this is my contact information. You can always use the Google Voice to text, or you can message me in Canvas. Also, you can see that there's the textbook information and your MyLab access code, which you'll need in order to get started in MyLab and Mastering, or MyStatLab is what you'll hear me refer to it. And I'll have this video on the home page so you can continue to watch it in case you need a reminder about anything that I discuss. And then on the home page, this is where you're going to find what's due for the week and your proctored exam testing date, which really it's only one date for this because we had some changes to be made for the summer. So go ahead and schedule that immediately. You can go ahead and set that up for the week of July the 5th. Also, this is super important. It's a little bit of a difference. Usually you can walk in to the proctoring labs, but there will not be walk-ins. Make sure you read everything in this guideline here. Also, you cannot come in late to test, and there will be no makeup exam days. That's just a few of the things, but be sure to read over this a little bit more and get familiar with it. And then down here is where you can click Start, and it'll take you to the Canvas modules. Now each module is set up by chapters. Of course, you have the online orientation module. You can't do anything else until you complete that. And then you have the important course information module. This is where you'll see the course calendar, the course syllabus, your textbook information, my office hours, and some requirements that you may want to know to help you if you haven't used MyLabs before. You may need to know to allow pop-ups in order for it to work. And then your access code is here also. And then if you scroll on down, you'll see the different chapters, and it'll have the due dates also in your Canvas modules. So the first week is a little bit intense because you do have a lot of homework due. So just go ahead and get started as soon as you can. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I wanted to show you all. Over here to the side, you'll see that you have MyLab and Mastering, and you can click on that to get to your labs if you would rather open it up that way. You can click on MyLab and Mastering and click Open MyLab and Mastering, and then it'll pull up. Now, one thing I want to say about the homework is, in order to be marked present, you have to do some of that week's work. I really would prefer you to do all of it. But if, let's say, you're really struggling with a certain section, what you can do is this homework will remain open. All of your homework will remain open for the length of the semester, so you can go back and rework any homework to improve your grade, and you can also submit it later. However, this is not a class that I would recommend you getting behind in. I really encourage you to work ahead. That's pretty much a good summary of what you can find. Let me go back one more thing. I keep thinking one thing that I do is a lot of videos for you. So all the videos, especially starting in chapter 2, these videos are videos that I have made for you. So please take advantage of these videos. They will help you work the homework and understand the homework a little bit better. If you need help, that's where you need to go to first. Also, if you click on my lab and Miss Horn's video resources, you'll see a lot of resources here that will help you as well. Some of these are my videos and some of these are videos that I pulled in that I think will help you. But I hope that maybe this will help you get started. If you have any questions, my contact information is here, and I look forward to getting to know each one of you this semester.